Alright guys, in this video you're going to learn how to create a remote access Trojan and you're going to have access to somebody's else's system. So wait to the end of the video so you can learn how to do this powerful thing using Python. Alright, so make sure you have Python installed on your computer, either Mac or Windows, right? And you can also do this on Kali Linux if you want to, but I'm going to do it on my Windows and I'm going to use VS Code to do it. Alright, so make sure you create a folder. I mean, you can name it any kind of thing you want to. My name my folder was rat right here. And make sure you install this command here, this pip installer. Make sure you do that one. And after you've done that one, make sure you have client.py, then you have server.py, right? And I'm going to make sure I'm going to upload this to GitHub so you can actually have access to it freely. Okay, so let's begin. So right now we are going to do it in two steps. We're going to do the simple step and we're going to do the hard step, right? The advanced step. So the simple step here is that you can see right here, I have this local host right here. So it actually means that if I should run this server and client py, I'm going to hack into my system. Exactly. So what I'm going to do right now is that I am going to come and say Python server.py right here. So you can see I am already listening for this client.py to be executed. You can see right here. So if I am going to send this thing to another person's computer, I have to make sure that I'm putting in my own IP address and I have to make sure that the person is on the same network with me so that I can have access to that person's computer. So let's continue. So now, since I have run this server.py, so you can see I have the host, just leave it the way it is, and I have this client.py. So I'm going to come straight here and I'm going to come and say Python, and I'll say client.py. So if I come back here up here, so you can see I already have access into my computer already. Basically, you can see like this. I can come and see something like there. I can keep doing that, all sorts of things. I can do so many things. But now let's move to the advanced level. So the advanced level here is that we're going to make this client.py a very, 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 we're going to turn it into an application. Do you understand? So right now, let me cancel what I have here. I'll click on clear. And this client.py, this py here, I'll cancel say, and I'll click on clear. So basically right now, we're going to turn this client.py into an application. And we're going to try and send it to the victim's computer. So there's something you need to change. In the client.py, you're going to need to change this attacker's IP to your own IP. Make sure you're on the same network with the victim. So come here, see, make sure you are on the same network with the victim. Make sure you're on the same network with the victim to have access. I mean, I can actually do another one whereby you don't need to be on the same network with the victim. But if you want that kind of video, please put it down in the description below. Alright, so let's begin. So I'm going to go straight to my terminal right here. I'm going to come and say ipconfig, check for IP address. This is my IP address. I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to come and change it inside here. Like this. Exactly. So right now, if I've done this, this is the only thing I need to change. The only thing. Change this stuff here to your own IP address. And also make sure that you're on the same network with the victim so you can have access. So right here, I'm going to come here. I'm going to copy this stuff here. And I'll come straight to my here. And I'll hit enter. So basically what I'm doing right now is that I am already converting this client.py into a application that I can send to the victim's computer. That is basically what I am doing, right? So I'm going to wait for some minutes for this thing to run very, very well. So let's hold on. We'll soon finish it. So I have a computer here with me, another computer here with me. So we're almost there. Sorry about the noise, guys. I'm in Nigeria and there's a mosque beside my house. So bear with me. Alright, good. So this has worked already. So right now, What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to send this stuff here, this client.exe. I'm going to send it to the victim's computer. So right now, I have a flash with me. I have a flash with me, and I'm going to go straight to my folder, come straight to my dist, and I'll copy this client here. Okay, so I'll paste this right here. Okay, very good. So that's very, very good. I'll take away the flash. Let me plug in my network. Good. So I'm going to come and put a flash in the victim's computer. That's my second computer here. And before I run it, make sure you as attacker, you need to do python server.py so that you'll be listening for it. So I'll copy this stuff I have right here on my second computer, and I will come and paste it right here on my desktop. Then let's see what happens if I should double click it to open it. So you see, bam, I have access to the victim's computer. Make sure you change this into your IP address and make sure you're on the same network with the individual, right? So right, I can come and do this. So you can see I'm having access to my second system. Let me bring this up. Okay, good. I can come and say, so you can see this is the victim's computer. I'm having access to the victim's computer already. So I can see it into any of this folder. I can even download something. I can create a keylogger whereby I'll be seeing what the person is doing on their system, right? So you can also change the name to something else, maybe something like change to something else. In the next video I'm going to be making, right? I'm going to create this into an image or a PDF. That's far more, big, right? It's going to look like a legit PDF, and when the victim installs it, bam, you have access to the victim's computer. Please and please use this knowledge wisely, right? So this is about remote access or Trojan, right? And these are the simple things you just need to do. Make sure you have the client.py, the server.py, and I'm going to put this in on the repository or my GitHub repository so you can have access to it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So guys, please make sure you leave a subscribe and you give my video a like so it can reach other people coming into tech, either in cybersecurity, either in web development, either in back end or front end. And I don't do much of a front end. So make sure you leave a subscribe and a like. And I'll see you guys next time.